welcome to my 8th Microsoft Word tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word in a computer. When working with computers and using applications such as Microsoft Word, you will have to come through opening files, editing them, and saving them. After creating a document, making sure that you save your work is very important because you will want to save them for further use or modification. To save the document, you will have to click a File tab, and a menu of Save and Save As will appear. Or you also have the choice to save the file by using the Quick Access toolbar, which is right on top here. Two methods to store the current work is by using Save and Save As. Although they appear to be similar, they have some differences. Let me explain it to you briefly. Save will save the current file under the same name in the same location. Let me give you an example. The name of this file is Story, as you can see here. And if I decided to save my file, the name of the file will remain as Story, and the name of the file will not change until I selected Save As and choose to change the name of the file. Now, Save As is to store a new file or to store an existing file to a new location with the same name or a different name. For example, at the moment, this file, My Story, is saved in my desktop. By selecting Save As, I have other options, and now I'm going to choose My Document. Not in desktop, but I'm going to save my file in My Document. So now, as you can see, I can change my file name to other name. And I also have different options available in Save As type. And the two most common file type that I can save is Word document and PDF. PDF file is when you save as PDF file, it is readable by all computers. But for now, let me choose Word document and click Save. So these are just few steps to save your Microsoft Word file in your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more Microsoft Word tutorial.